Having a nice resume and an attractive LinkedIn profile is great. But what about GitHub? GitHub is a platform where you can show your code, showcase your projects, contribute to other people's projects, and highlight your technical skills. Because of this, GitHub can provide many opportunities for developers. In fact, many people get hired through GitHub every single day. That's why having an impressive GitHub profile is very important. In this video, I will show you how you can create a professional GitHub profile from scratch. By the end of this video, you will have a GitHub profile that shows your skills, projects, and contact information in a clean and professional way. Let's get started. First, open your GitHub. Here, click on repositories. Then click on new. The important thing here is that the repository name must be exactly same as your GitHub username. When you do this, GitHub will automatically recognize it as a special repository that can display README on your profile page. Make sure the repository is public and enable add README file. After that, click on create repository. This README file is what will appear on the top of your GitHub profile. Let's check. See here, this is the readme.md file of the repository we created just now. Now, instead of writing everything manually, you can use a GitHub profile readme generator. So search for GitHub profile readme generator. Click on the first link. This tool allows you to quickly create a professional profile by simply filling in your details like your name and what you are working, what you are currently learning, programming languages, social links, and so on. Then you can add logos that you are familiar with. Later, scroll down. In social section, you can give your social usernames. Then you can customize your profile by adding profile starts, streak starts, and more. Finally, click on generate readme and copy this. And paste in your readme.md file. You can see the preview. See, we got an impressive profile. Now click on commit changes. You can edit this commit message. If you want to keep it as is, click on commit changes. Now when you go to your profile, you can see a professional profile you have created just now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.